Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel if you are a subby, and if you're new, hi, welcome. My name is Shimon Monet. If you're interested in seeing how I created this super simple summertime friendly look, then stay tuned. Thanks.
Alright, so we're going to jump right into this tutorial. I already did my brows off camera and I used the eyebrow pomade by the Crayon Case. I cleaned up under my brows and set my lids with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toast. And for this super simple eye look, we're just going to be using the Warrior palette from Juvia's Place. I'm going in with the shade Kano. Really pretty brown shade. I've been using it as a transition shade lately, but I'm just going to place this all over the eyelids. This look is super duper simple. I'm only using 2 eyeshadows, so this is the first one. Next, I'm going to go in with that dark brown shade, Miro, and I'm going to place that just in the crease, just to add a little bit of depth to the look. But that's it, y'all. Blending these 2 shades together, and that's going to be it for the eyes. And that's that. So now moving on to the skin, I'm going to go in with the NYX Tea Tree Skin Elixir Primer. And then I'm going to follow that up with my Skindinavia Primer Spray. And let that dry down. Next, I'm going to go in with the MAC Prep and Prime. I got this little tiny bottle as like a tester with the recent purchase. And I finally started using it and I really like it. I'm tempted to get the full size, but I'll see. And then I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser Primer. Put this right where my pores are larger. And I'm also going to place it in my smile lines to help prevent cracking throughout the day. So now that my skin is all prepped, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Caramel. I'm going to just place this right underneath my eyes. Then I'm just going to let it sit just for a second while I go in with my BB cream that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using the Black Radiance BB cream in the shade Cafe. This was my very first like complexion products that I ever bought when I started getting into makeup. I bought a Black Radiance powder, Black Radiance foundation, and this BB cream, and I love it. So I'm going to spray my face with the Badescu Rose Water Spray so that this is just easy to blend. Taking an e.l.f. blending brush, spraying it with some water, and we're just going to work this into the skin. Again, this is a BB cream, so this is extremely light coverage. You can still see some blemishes through it, but that's fine. It's literally just like skin, but just a little bit better. It's like a lotion that just has a little bit of color to it. So it's not heavy at all. Super easy to blend. I don't have to mix 2 shades, and that's that. Just spraying my face again, and now I'm going in to work in that concealer. Using a beauty sponge by the Crayon Case. I really like their black beauty blenders. They're super huge and they're very soft. So I've been loving these things lately. But I'm just blending out that concealer and I'm putting it everywhere I would typically highlight. My forehead, my chin, my upper lip. And I'm going back in with that foundation brush to blend everything out. To set my face, I'm going to use the Black Radiance Soft Focus Finishing Powders, taking the lighter shade, placing that underneath my eyes. I believe that's Golden Almond. And then I'm going to take a creamy bronze, which is a bit darker, to set the rest of my face. My lights washed out the colors, but I promise those are 2 different color products. Sticking with Black Radiance, I'm going to use their contour palette in medium to dark. to go ahead and contour this face. Just using a, I believe this is like a blush brush by the Fergie Wet n Wild collection. It's just an angled brush, nice and fluffy. I'm going to take this e.l.f. contour brush. Actually, no, it's called a concealer brush, but it's very small and dome shaped, and I actually use it to contour my nose. Taking a large powder brush just to blend everything together, making sure it flows. Y'all know this is my favorite blush palette. Well, one of my two Juvia's Place blushes have a special place in my heart right now. So I'm going back in with my favorite blush, my current fave. And again, just blending everything together. So now that I'm content with my face, I'm going to spray it. That just helps to get rid of any powdery look. Set all of that into my skin. And onto my absolute favorite part, I'm going to highlight. So this highlighter is from the Colourpop and Makeupshayla collab. Now let me tell you, ever since I opened this highlighter, I have been absolutely loving it. It is a loose pigment, but it is so finely milled that even if you mess up, it's so easy to blend. Like, I went a little crazy with my Cupid's bow. All I had to do was take my foundation brush and my beauty blender, and it took care of the excess. I'm taking a small precision brush just to place a little bit of that highlighter in my inner tear ducts, just to make it look like we did a little something something to the eyes, because they're so simple, and blending that out. And I'm using a e.l.f. highlighter brush to place this on the highest parts of my cheek and on my temple area and a tiny bit on my chin. And then I'm just going to blend that all out with a BH Cosmetics brush. And that's it, y'all. Oh, I added clear lip gloss. And that's it.
As always, you guys, thank you so much for checking out this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, definitely leave them below. If you are not already subscribed, just go ahead and click that button and subscribe to my channel. That way you won't miss any future videos and uploads. Until next time, guys, be blessed. Bye.